This tutorial is to show merchant users how to use our chargeback tool. Merchants historically receive chargeback notices, also known as cardholder disputes, in the mail or fax, which is inefficient and difficult to manage. Our chargeback tool makes the process completely electronic. When a merchant gets a chargeback or retrieval, they receive an email notification from our dashboard. Once logged into the dashboard, click on the chargeback section under Reporting. It will show the chargeback and retrieval statistics. Underneath are each chargeback and retrieval case that can be reviewed at the transaction level. The filter allows for different search options, including the date range, a specific card or case number, filtering by card brand, toggling between chargeback and retrieval cases, and filtering by priority. There is also an option to export to external documents such as an Excel file. When scrolling down to the table view of the different cases, the merchant can see the last four of the card number, amount of the dispute, whether it is a chargeback or retrieval, the date it was loaded, when the merchant responded, the current status, and how long until the merchant can no longer respond. Click on Details to see additional information. By clicking on Details, a window will pop up with additional information for the chargeback, including the date of the transaction, date loaded, the reason for the chargeback, including the reason code, a brief description, and case history. The case history will show any updates to the case, including correspondence regarding status changes. When the merchant clicks on Upload, the system will suggest documents typically needed to fight the chargeback based on the reason code. The merchant can then either upload each item or drag and drop them, then select the category of the document. For static documents that do not vary per transaction, such as the merchant's terms and conditions, the system has the ability to retain the document, eliminating the need to re-upload the same document for different cases. Once the uploaded items are complete, the merchant will be prompted to proceed to the next step of generating a preview of the supporting documentation, which will format the uploaded items to the Chargeback Center and issuing bank's requirements. The preview screen gives the merchant the opportunity to make sure the uploads were high enough resolution and appear legible. Being able to preview the documentation and see if it fits the card issuer's requirements means the merchant has the opportunity to better their chances of getting the chargeback reversed. Once previewed, to submit the uploaded items, the merchant would simply check the box and click on the Submit button. This will submit the uploaded items to the Chargeback Center. Any updates or changes to the disputed transaction would display in the case history, and the merchant would also receive emails upon status changes to the case. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.